Deploying the chatbot. Deploying the chatbot involves publishing it on your website or platform so that users can interact with it. The specific steps to deploy a chatbot will vary depending on the platform you choose, but generally include the following. Log into your platform account and navigate to the Chatbot Builder or Configuration section. Customize the chatbot's responses, add custom integrations, and fine-tune the user experience as desired. Copy the code provided by the platform to embed the chatbot on your website. Paste the code into the appropriate location on your website. This may require editing the HTML code of your website or adding the code to a specific plugin or widget. Save the changes and test the chatbot on your website to ensure it is functioning correctly. Make any final adjustments as needed. Once the chatbot is deployed, users can start interacting with it through your website, providing a more engaging and personalized experience for them. Overview of the deployment process. The deployment process refers to the steps involved in making your chatbot available to users on your website or other desired platforms. To deploy your chatbot, you may need to review and verify your chatbot's configuration, responses, and integrations to ensure that they are properly set up and working as expected. Choose the platform or platforms where you want to deploy your chatbot, example, your website, mobile app, or messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. Follow the platform-specific instructions for deploying your chatbot, which may include adding code snippets or integrating with APIs. Test the chatbot on the deployed platform to verify that it is working as expected and that users can access and interact with it. Monitor the chatbot's performance and make updates as needed to address any issues or to further improve the user experience. It is important to thoroughly test your chatbot on the deployed platform and to monitor it for any issues before making it widely available to users. This will help to ensure a smooth and successful deployment and will minimize any potential downtime or user confusion. Steps to deploy the chatbot on your website. To deploy a GPT-3-powered chatbot on your website, you will need to follow these general steps. Choose a platform. Select a platform that supports integration with the OpenAI API and has the features you need for your chatbot. Connect your API key. Enter your OpenAI API key in the chatbot platform to establish a connection between the platform and the GPT-3 model. Customize your chatbot. Configure the chatbot's responses, integrations, and other settings according to your preferences and requirements. Embed the chatbot on your website. Follow the platform's instructions for embedding the chatbot on your website, which may involve adding code snippets or using APIs. Test the chatbot. Verify that the chatbot is working as expected on your website and that users can access and interact with it. Launch the chatbot. After you have tested the chatbot and confirmed that it is working properly, you can make it live on your website. It is recommended to use a platform that provides detailed instructions and support for deploying a chatbot on your website to ensure a smooth and successful deployment. You may also want to consider consulting with a web development expert if you testing the chatbot and making final adjustments. Testing the chatbot and making final adjustments is a crucial step in the process of deploying a GPT-3-powered chatbot on your website. Here are some key steps to follow. User testing. Conduct user testing by having a group of beta testers interact with the chatbot on your website. Collect feedback from these users and make note of any issues or areas for improvement. Functionality testing. Verify that all the chatbot's features and integrations are working as expected, and that the chatbot is providing accurate and relevant responses to user queries. User experience testing. Evaluate the overall user experience of the chatbot, including the ease of use, responsiveness, and overall satisfaction of users. Fine-tuning. Based on the results of your testing, make any necessary adjustments to the chatbot's settings, integrations, and responses. You can also use this opportunity to optimize the chatbot's performance, improve the user experience, and fix any bugs or issues that were identified during testing. Final verification: verify that the chatbot is working properly after making any final adjustments and that all features and integrations are functioning as expected. It is important to thoroughly test the chatbot before launching it on your website, to ensure that it is providing a high-quality user experience and that all features and integrations are working correctly. Regular monitoring and maintenance of the chatbot after launch is also important to ensure its continued performance and reliability.